What's up guys, it's Aiden from Pack Hacker, and today we're going to be reviewing the WANDRD Essential Deep Camera Cube. We've been testing this for 2 weeks, so let's dive right in. This here is the WANDRD Essential Deep Camera Cube. It is made fully out of a nice nylon that kind of works as a weatherproof / waterproof material so your interior components don't get wet. We also have a top strap on here for any external carriage that you want to use, and 2 loops here that you can attach a shoulder strap to in order to carry it wherever you need to go. However, it is worth noting that most likely you will not have to carry this on its own, as it is compatible, well, it's built to be compatible with the 21-liter WANDRD Provoke backpack. For the most part, this is how I've been testing this camera cube, so I haven't really had to carry it outside of that bag in general. We have a side pocket here that you can use to get quick access to any internal components or any internal equipment that you have. Like right here, I have quick access for my camera. But at the same time, it's pretty customizable on the inside of this cube, so you can adjust whatever you want quick access to and make sure you can get that right away. We have nice YKK zippers here that you can see for both the quick access pocket and also the top flap right here. Going on to the inside of the bag, the top flap here does fold right underneath it pretty easily, just because there is a bend to the top flap. So you don't have to worry about the flap getting in the way of your access to your equipment on the inside. The interior is made out of a nice felt. It's very padded for both the dividers and just the interior of the bag of the cube itself. So you don't have to worry about any loose items getting damaged, such as loose cameras, camera lenses, getting the lens itself smudged and scratched just because of the soft interior. It won't cause damage to any of your equipment that you have inside. When you get the cube itself, it does come with 2 long dividers, 3 shorter dividers, and 3 elastic straps that you can use to kind of customize and choose whatever way you want to keep your equipment safe. They're Velcro to both the interior, so they attach straight to the fleece on the inside. So you can really attach it in any way that you want, as well as the dividers themselves being fleece, and you can attach them to each other. The elastic straps also have Velcro, so that makes it pretty simple and pretty easy to customize in any way that you want. Outside of additional storage, there really is not any additional storage besides the dividers themselves. Like I said, this cube is meant for compatibility with the 21-liter WANDRD Provoke, which means you can just slide it right inside, and any additional equipment that you have can go right in the Provoke bag itself. But that being said, there's still a lot of room on the inside of this bag where you can fit like 2 camera lenses. I have my camera batteries. I got lens cap, battery cord just for charging. I also have my SD card holder here, just because this camera cube itself does not have an additional SD card holder, but the WANDRD Provoke itself does have a separate SD card pocket that you can easily utilize, but at the same time, this bag is both meant to be a separate entity as well as a combined accessory for the WANDRD Provoke 21-liter. And finally, of course, we have the bag, well, the camera itself right here that you don't have to worry about, because at the same time, depending on how you have this organized, you're able to make it work and fit in there and make it secure, so you don't have to worry about it. One other thing to note is that the bag itself can get pretty dirty, and it does show a lot of the dirt that it can accumulate. When I've gotten this dirty, it was pretty much as simple as just getting a wet washcloth and just wiping it off, and it looks almost as good as new. Outside of that, not too much damage has come to the bag itself. This is mostly just because for the most part of my testing it, I have had it within a separate bag, the WANDRD Provoke 21-liter. So I have not tested out whether or not, I really haven't put this thing through the ringer on how damaged it could potentially be. But there you have it, the WANDRD Essential Deep Camera Cube. Thank you so much for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.